at it for 35 years. You didn't know where that. So you just got to do it. You can, you can get a lot of information out of books, but you don't get over here on an anvil with a hammer in your hand. You don't really learn everything.
I got windy, but I got it right with.
It's called the bellows, is it?
How old are you? 17?